Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Ubisoft account suspended. Just before we do begin with this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. First things first, go ahead and open up a browser right here and then type in ubisoft.com/help. Basically, it will take you to this page right over here. One thing to fix, or the first option to fix your account suspended, basically you have to go ahead and you must reset your password, clear your browser cache, and wait 24 hours for the automatic security lock to expire. Basically, yes, you heard that correct. Basically, Ubisoft has a 24-hour lock. If your account is currently temporarily suspended, it is not permanently suspended, so no worries about that. Now, if you would like to talk with a Ubisoft customer support, we can go ahead and do that as well. Basically, you have to go ahead and go to the Ubisoft Help Center right over here. And if you'd like to submit a ticket, you'll go ahead and click on my cases right over here. You'll just have to go ahead and log in with your account. Once you log in, you can go ahead and see if you can go ahead and submit a ticket regarding your account suspension. Basically, that is all for this video, guys. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If it did, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.